When I first started learning how to make effects, I could spend several hours looking for the right script to make the effect work under certain conditions. But there is a much easier way. And in this video I will show you how to work with timeline, which greatly simplify the life of an effects artist. First, what we need to do is create new timeline. And let's put it into the new game object. Don't forget to lock it, because it can disappear if you select something else. I will work with prepared timeline not to waste time, but still I will show you some steps. Let's add our character to the scene first, and then put it to the timeline. But first let's lock it. Drag and drop to the left part of this window because we need animation track. If you drop it to the right part, it will create control track that we don't need for now. Next, we can add animation using this menu, add from clip. And here you can choose any animation you have, or you can look inside your model. But this animation we cannot change. For this we need to duplicate it, and then we will have opportunity to edit. In such way we can add any animation that we want, that we have, and then mix them. If you don't want that your animation stops at the end, you can change wrap mode to loop inside the timeline. I will continue working with the prepared animation. Next, I will show how to work with effects. Here I have a copy of the effect that you saw at the beginning of the video. I will add it to the timeline as a control track, but you won't see any animation for now. For this, we need to add particle system to the main part of an effect. It's just the way I work. I create a game object and put all my effects parts inside. We need empty particle system so you can disable all checkboxes. And now we can see how it works. Next, what we need is movement. I want that this fireball moves from the left to the right. To do this, we need animation track. To record your actions, press red button and just change any parameters. If you need to edit this animation, you can double click it and you will switch to animation tab. Or press this button and you will get access to the animation curves. Also, here you can change keys interpolation. As you can see, we have small issue with this effect tail. To fix this, we need active track. We can fix it using active track, but it's need to be applied specifically for this part of an effect. The principle of work is simple. The effect is visible only within the acts of the action track. By the way, there is a moment if you cannot see your particles that was created with rate over distance. You need to deselect everything or select your timeline. Don't forget to use groups, it's very convenient. You can find it here, add track subgroup. The last thing I want to share with you is when you add something to your effect, but you cannot see it on timeline. Reactivate preview button and it will work correctly. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.